Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back to your Turkish journey. Today, I'm going to teach you what type of sentences you can use when you would like to drink tea or when someone asks you if you would like to drink tea. Let's begin with the basics. In Turkish, to drink tea means çay içmek. Çay içmek. Here, çay means tea and içmek is an infinitive verb and it means to drink. Usually, when you are asked if you would like to drink tea, the following sentence is used. Çay içer misiniz? Çay içer misiniz? The literal translation of this is, would you like to drink tea? And this is a formal question. The same question can be used to ask multiple people at once. In this case, the literal translation will be, would you guys like to drink tea? When you are in a restaurant, this will be a typical question, whether you are alone or with others. Çay içer misiniz? You may have already realized in this question the verb stem of the verb içmek receives the simple present tense suffix. The reason is the simple present tense suffix is also used to mean would in Turkish. Details of this will be a part of another video. And if you are visiting a friend of yours and your friend would like to offer tea, then this question can be asked informally like this. Çay içer misin? Çay içer misin? This literally means, would you like to drink tea? But this time the question is informal. Even though this is one of the most common way to ask, there are other ways as well as usual. For example, the verb almak is also used for this purpose. Almak means to get, to take, to receive. Take a look. Çay alır mısınız? Çay alır mısınız? Formally. Çay alır mısın? Çay alır mısın? Informally. This literally means, would you like to get tea? Using this verb, it is also possible to order tea. For example, you are in a restaurant and you would like to have tea. You can say, if you are alone, çay alabilir miyim? Çay alabilir miyim? Or if you are multiple people, çay alabilir miyiz? Çay alabilir miyiz? In this question sentence, the conjugated verb has the potential mood suffix together with the simple present tense suffix. Çay alabilir miyim literally means, can I get tea? And çay alabilir miyiz literally means, can we get tea? Usually when you ask çay alabilir miyiz, you will probably receive this question. Kaç tane? Kaç tane? How many? Or herkes içiyor mu? Herkes içiyor mu? Meaning, is everyone going to drink? In a restaurant, you can also question this way if they offer tea or not. Çayınız var mı? Çayınız var mı? Formally, which means, do you have tea? And you may remember this sentence from the previous videos. This literally means, is your tea existent? But when you visit your friend at his or her home, sometimes, depending on the area or culture, the verbs dökmek and koymak can also be used for the same purpose. Where I grew up, the following sentences were very common in my circle. But first of all, koymak means to put, koymak, and dökmek means to pour, dökmek. For example, çay koyayım mı? Çay koyayım mı? Literally, shall I put tea? Or çay dökeyim mi? Çay dökeyim mi? Literally, shall I pour tea? Now, let's say you have your tea. You drink it, and now your glass is empty. In this case, you may be asked these following questions. Bir bardak daha içer misiniz? Bir bardak daha içer misiniz? Formally. Literally, would you like to drink another cup? Or bir bardak daha içer misin? Bir bardak daha içer misin? Informally. Or bir bardak daha alır mısınız? Bir bardak daha alır mısınız? Or çay getireyim mi tekrar? Çay getireyim mi tekrar? In addition to these, when you are with your friends in a restaurant, you may want to ask your friends if they would like to drink tea. In this case, these questions are actually common. Çay içer miyiz? Çay içer miyiz? Would we drink tea? Honestly, the waiter can also use this question to ask a group of people if they would like to drink tea or not. And another one is, çay içelim mi? Çay içelim mi? Shall we drink tea? Other than these, when you express that you would like to have or drink tea, it is possible that you receive these questions. Bardakta mı, kupada mı? Bardakta mı, kupada mı? You know, traditionally, we use this glass to drink tea. We call this ince belli bardak. İnce belli bardak. Literally, narrow-waisted glass. But of course, this specific glass is referred as Turkish tea glass. Another question could be, açık mı, demli mi? Açık mı, demli mi? Light or strong? Alright guys, this is it from me for today. I hope you like this video. You know, tea is very important in our culture. So I really hope that these sentences will help you in your daily life. If you have any questions, let me know. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.